What's up, crypto people? This is Michael and welcome to Naked Crypto. Here on Naked Crypto, I'll show you what coins to buy, when to buy, hold, and sell. So if you like money on crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hey guys, so I just came back from my holiday. I went to Cabo San Lucas and now I'm here again. And I'm sorry if I'm not really doing much of my videos. I'm just busy. But I'm active here on my Facebook group. And it's free. I post all my charts here. You can check it out, guys. Some news there too. So yeah, some news, and this one of my prediction on Bitcoin, possible on. Anyway, we'll go to the chart later on. So Ethereum, yeah, I shorted Ethereum actually. These are the results. You can guys check it out, and I do have also Messenger group. You can join this here for free. I do some updates here too. So just let me know, just message me if you're interested to join this group too. Okay, let's check it out. CoinGecko today. We'll see. It seems Bitcoin is doing good right now. Bitcoin is 8.6% up for the past 7 days. And Cardano is 20% up. And we have Bitcoin wrap here and Tron, and Stellar is doing great. And we have Chain. This is new. 82.5% up. Axie 14% up. So it's getting better now, guys. And let's see the fear and greed, and still on the extreme fear. And crypto bubbles, Luna is 50% down. Looks like still alive. And the rest is, we have Luna Classic is 29.5% down right now, and the Ape is 8.6% down. Actually, it's looks like a great day today, guys. Waves, Cardano, Aave, Kava, Wemix, CRV, and XCN. So looks like it's a great day today, guys, even though they say we are in a bear market. So let's see the traditional market first, and I see, so Dow Jones, it bounced back at 50%. So S&P bounced at 0.38.2. Let's see if this one will. Looks like it's a descending expanding wedge. So let's see if this one will break on this 0.23 level, or you might see go down here. So let's see. And the total market cap, I was expecting a rising wedge, but unfortunately it broke down here. Similar to total 2, which is excluding Bitcoin, I was expecting a rising wedge, but unfortunately it went down too. And similar to Crypto 3, which is excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. But right now we have this green candle right now, and the DXY looks like it's a triple top. The price went down, so that's why it's currently, Bitcoin is doing great. Let's see if the price will go down back here on this level. So let's see. But if the price of the DXY goes down, and it means good for Bitcoin. So this is one of my scenario on Bitcoin. This could be a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And on this wave 5 here, we have a 5 waves supposed to be. We're looking for 5 waves here. So this could be a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Possible one more pump for Bitcoin. That's what I'm looking for. And but I could be wrong, guys. This could be our 4th wave. And so if we zoom in a bit, this could be a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We are currently on the wave 4. This could be a expanding flat on elliott-wave. So let's see, draw like this. So I'm looking for expanding flat. This is an expanding flat with there's 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and 5 waves down. So let's go back to the chart. So this could be our 3 waves down, one ABC, and our 3 waves up. And now we're looking for 5 waves down. So this could be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Unfortunately, on Elliott wave, this is technically incorrect. Wave 1 overlapped the wave 4. This is technically incorrect. So, but sometimes it works though. So this could be our bottom now. If not, this could be our A, B, C, D, E. This could be like this. So let's just watch it, guys. Right now it's already here. So let's see this level here. Let's keep an eye on this level. We'll put a price label here. So this is the price we might pull back here, and we go for one more down before we go up. Okay, so let's put a price label here. So it's somewhere at 75k. So somewhere here, guys, 77k. So this is just a presumption. I could be wrong, guys, but I was thinking this could be a flat correction on the fourth wave flat correction. So our ultimate target then for our fifth wave, it could be somewhere here at 276,000 for Bitcoin. But again, guys, I could be wrong. Technical analysis it just gives you a technical advantage not to predict the future. So we might still have one more chance, but unfortunately this would be our last chance, guys. And after that, we are going now for ABC correction. So this could be, yeah, people will hate me, 3k for Bitcoin. So yeah, so something to be aware, guys. This is a rising channel, which is actually a bearish pattern. So something to be aware, guys. So this is another scenario, guys. So this could be our three waves down, 3 waves up, and 5 waves down. So let's see the price somewhere here at on this level. It might go up here, but actually it might go up. It's already up already. So that's because I posted this one. Last May 27th. And so let's see, guys, if this one will play it out here. There's a resistance somewhere here, so something we look after. So right now the price of Bitcoin, it went up right now, so we might see go up and go down. Yeah, something even somewhere here. So let's see, guys. It might be a bull trap. So let's see if this one will play it out somewhere at go up and go down again. So that would be another scenario for Bitcoin. And Ethereum, it could be on a rising wedge. This is actually a bearish pattern, but we might see one more pump. Sorry, guys, it's kind of cluttered. I actually shorted the Ethereum. Let's see here. So yeah, I posted this one. This is my post. Possible wedge. So the price, we might see the price go down at somewhere at 1200. So, but I could be wrong. So similar to this pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see, guys, if this one will play it out. I actually shorted Ethereum here. See, I posted this one May 13th. I actually shorted Ethereum, and the result was here. So see, TP1 has been hit until TP2. It's been hit, but right now it pumped up. The ultimate target was 1400. It wasn't reached, but let's see. Right now it's the price of Ethereum went up already. So this is the current chart of Ethereum. Let's go to the 1 hour. So I've been checking. This is my trade. This is my trade, guys. I've seen a head and shoulders pattern actually here, but it's just slowly went down. So I was expecting the price will hit hard, go down, but it did not. So, but the target 1 and target 2 has been reached though. So congratulations to those who benefited my chart, benefited who shorted Ethereum lately. But of course, make sure you have a good stop loss if you're trading. So we do have request here. So GALA, we have this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And we have this ABC correction. We have a perfect head and shoulders pattern here. And now we are here. I personally bought some GALA on this level. So it has to break on this trend line here. That's what I'm thinking. But we have this, this is the primary. We have the secondary here. Secondary trend line and the tertiary trend line. It already broke to this tertiary trend line. So that's a good sign. So let's see if the price will break on the secondary trend line. So if that's the case, if we have this, if ABC correction is already done, and then we are now looking for 5 waves to the upside. Somebody asked APECOIN. So I was projecting another down for APECOIN, but looks like it went up again. So let's see if this one will break to the upside or continue to go down for APECOIN. Luna, it really dropped so sharp, and I'm sorry for the guys who bought from the top. And currently is on a descending channel, which is actually a bullish pattern. It could be A, B, C, D, E. So right now we might see the price go down somewhere here before it will go up. Oh, there's another one here that I actually posted this one. We might see the price go down here at 0.786, but there's no guarantee, guys. So it's a beautiful bullish flag here, and the price, we might see the price go down here at 0.786. So there is no guarantee, guys. Just invest what you can afford to lose. But if we are too early, you never know. You never know. We are in the bear market. I think it's Robert Kiyosaki said this. You make money on bull market, but millionaires are made in the bear market. So something to think about, guys. Another chart that I see is SafeMoon. I know I personally didn't invest in this SafeMoon, but the setups looks good. But it's up to you guys. Just invest. Just treat this as a lottery ticket. So yeah, EPEX. I posted this one actually on the group. So I see this inverted head and shoulders pattern, and it did really went up. Let's see, find it out. So see, EPX, I posted this one. Looks like a head and shoulders pattern. My target actually is somewhere here at 0.884, but it went up here, so 0.003, but it went up, but I see weakness. Somebody asked me, that was my target. This one is my target, but unfortunately I see weakness, and now it went down. So yeah, so if you guys went into this EPX and sold it here, congratulations. Okay, so if there's cryptocurrency you want me to add, just comment down below and I'll do the technical analysis for free, because I love you guys for now. Bye bye, take care, I love you.